Hello, dear mates and tutor. This is me, Pedro again. And for this time, I'm going to show you how to present web tools to integrate different materials in order to plan as well these topics for classes. So I'm going to make the first step in the support, and I have chosen this topic for this presentation, the present simple tense. So I think the teacher in class, firstly, the teacher uh, will have a warm up when they present all the theory and grammar structures and some examples about the topics. So in this part, the present simple, the teacher would start with affirmative sentences and explaining the structure. Then teacher is going to involve the students into the particular or specific terms of this present tense. So explaining this third person singular. So there are some verbs that ending with x. So that's depend on the third person singular, like she, he, or it. And verbs ending in double x, x, ch, sho, at ex at the end. Okay, what's the third person singular? So in this case, the teacher is going to show some verbs that are possible ending with s or es, like in the example. Okay, so next, the present simple. Explain the interrogative structure. How would they build correctly the sentences following the step by steps, like showing this slide? And this is the interrogative form, the structure. Look in the chart, and the students want to be more clarified in with those examples. Okay, and then this is the negative form, where the teacher writes some samples on the board and try to interact with the students in a collaborative learning. And this is the negative chart for a better understanding, and the students copy right down on their notebooks. Okay, the present simple tense. There are some facts which are the oldest original authors, like the example, facts in science and geographical descriptions. The teacher could be more clearly and show them some pictures about these examples, like water freezes at 0 degrees. And the present simple is used to describe actions that happen regularly, habitual actions, and frequency adverse is often used, like usually, never, often, hardly ever, always, sometimes, usually, well, whatever. There are a lot of them. And this part is the other exercises and examples. And it's very important the students know these expressions and those frequent adverbs that I told you, and other time expressions that I showed them in the slide. Okay, so then after the teacher explained with those slides to make a warm up, the teacher is going to go to the project a video like this. This video is to reinforce the topic, and they're going to participate with their own ideas, and the teacher give the students some questions about what they see, was some details of this video, and they're going to explain the teacher what's the routines or what's the schedules hours or using the adverb of frequency, and that's really interesting for them to make the classes so different in every step. Okay, so after this video, sorry, after this video, the teacher is most to go to put in practice the exercise with this page called Agenda Web. So there are a lot of present simple tense exercise, multiple choice, run and drop, exercise like with a person, affirmative questions, exercise with regular verb and irregular verbs, whatever. So for example, let's go in click here and let's see what kind of exercise. Okay, so here the students they are motivated with this exercise because they know only just to um, select one of the correct answer that they think. So and the page give him the answers. After this, the teacher is going to be the class over with this exercise, these some games. So that games is called Kahoot, and for example, for a simple game, like check and know what is it works. And this is the Kahoot. It is a web tool that we may could introduce the students into different virtual environments, and they get more interest and motivated for the lesson classes. Okay, so we chose the classic item and we're ready to join. So in this part we start and we give this code or pin to students. They register and get into the platform, uh, and then we want to start this game. So that's really fun and really good exercise for them for sure. So that's the what we as a teacher could done and or finish our classes with an interactive game, and it's a really good tool for waking them the motivation to interact with them. They participate a lot, and I'm so really sure that they will have a fun time in the classes, something like this. So okay, that's my video for this final assessment, and I hope you really like it, and see you next time. Have a nice day. Bye bye.